In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to take your lab exams, your Microsoft Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint exams. These exams must also be taken at a CIT lab on any ACC campus. Once you get to the campus of your choice or in a CIT lab, you're going to log on to a computer. Once you've logged on to the computer, you're going to log on to your SAM page. Once you are in SAM, you're going to look on the left-hand side under SAM assignments at the assignments. I currently have these sorted by training. If I click on type, it then resorts. I now have them sorted by project, which is what I want to look for. Let's say, for example, I want to take my Microsoft Word exam. What I will do is look on the left-hand side and look for the Microsoft Word exam. It will always have your section number, and then it'll say Microsoft Word exam part 1, and then again your section number, Microsoft Word exam part 2. You must complete both parts of this exam in order to get full credit for your exam. If you only take one part of the exam, then you've only completed half of the exam. So make sure you complete both parts of the exam. Both parts of the exam must be completed on the same day. You cannot take part 1 today and then come back in a few days and take part 2. You must complete both part 1 and part 2 on the same day. Alright, so once you're ready, you're going to click on the exam you want to take. Again, we're going to take a look at the Microsoft Word exam part 1. You will click on that. It's going to ask you for a password. The tech at the lab that you go to will have the password. Once you advise the tech that you are ready, the tech will enter the password and click OK. Once you've done that, then you are in the Microsoft Word exam. Notice that you may submit your exam 2 times, and it'll tell you how many submissions you have remaining. So the first time you submit it, you take the test, doing everything that you know, and then submit it. You'll get a grade. Once you have gotten your grade, you will review that, see if there's anything that you did incorrectly so that you can correct it. For example, you misspelled a word, you put a chart in the wrong place, you didn't sort it the way it was asking. Whatever the situation, you have an opportunity to make those corrections and then resubmit. Once you submit that second time, then you are done with the exam and you're ready to move on. Click OK and give it a second and it will load. Once it does load, you will see, just like in your practice hits, your download instructions, and then you'll see the start files, and then you'll have the opportunity to submit your files. Once you completed all of the assignment and you are ready to submit, you submit your file, click submit. If it's done correctly, you'll get the 3 check marks just like you do with practice it. And once you've done that, you have finished the exam and are ready to move on to part 2, or if you've done part 2, you're done with the exam. To check your results, again, you will go to the results screen or the results tab, click on that, and it will show you the results. It'll show all the results for what you have taken. For example, here is the exam 1 concepts and so forth. So you'll click on the tab that you want and click to generate reports, and it will open it up for you once you've completed it so you can see what you have done. Alright, so that is how your lab exams, Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint.